In today's video, I want to guide you on how to update Microsoft Office. You can use any of its products like Excel, Microsoft Office, PowerPoint. The process is very simple. In less than 30 seconds, you are good to go. Open any of its products. Now I've opened my Microsoft Office. Click on this file button here. Then scroll down until you get to more option or account. Because account is not here, click on more option. When you click on more option, then you have access to export, close, account, feedback and option. Then click on account. Once you click on account, you have yourself at this place. At this side, you see activation required. You don't have anything to do with that. Then go to this one that says click option. Once you click update option, you must be a verified user. If your account is not activated, you will not be able to update your Microsoft Office software on your device. Now click on this option, click on enable update. Once this is updated, then click on update option. Then you'll be able to update your Microsoft Office or Microsoft Excel. That's all guys on how to update Microsoft Office. If you enjoy this, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.